Hello and welcome to my first Blender tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be going over fluid simulation. Go into camera mode and just grab this blue thing and move it up. I don't want to, it's kind of a pet peeve that I have. I can't have the grid interacting with the object. Okay. So in order to do this correctly, we have to see everything. So we go over here to this little thing right here, and we hit wireframe. Now we can see through things, and it's just a lot easier. Left click and C. Just center your screen. I guess I'm just gonna go into front view. Press A to deselect and center. Okay, now that our screen is centered and everything is okay. Now we can just select this object again. Okay. Press spacebar, add mesh, and doesn't really matter what it is. I like UV spheres. It's really big, so hit S, size it down to how much fluid you want. I think I'm just going to go about here. Bring it up. And that looks about fine. Alright, back into camera mode. It's a lot easier. Go into top view and make sure it's all aligned. Good. Oops. Okay, that's fine. Alright, camera mode again. And now, basically what we do is we select this device right here. I say device a lot, just kind of because my stepdad says device a lot. Anyways, we select the cube, and we go into object, and physics buttons. We hit fluid, and domain. Now we select our circle, or our sphere. We hit fluid again, and now hit fluid. Now we hit this again, select that, and bake, and it should. Let's give it a minute. And you can hit escape in any time of this, or any, like, at any time if you get kind of sick of it waiting. This does take up some space. It says 12.41 MB, but I don't have to worry about that because I have about 180 gigs on my hard drive. But after you render your animation, you can go back into your temp directory and delete it because it's already rendered as a video, so yeah. But it'll come up with a lot of, just basically what it's doing right now is it's saving a bunch of zipped files to your temp directory. And the zipped files are the fluid images. Okay. Now that we're done, we can, you see that our domain is gone, the cube is gone, the domain has turned into the circle object, and it's kind of like a sphere now. We can see that our original sphere is in the background, so right click that and you can delete that. Press delete and OK. And now we have this. We go into object mode and solid. And it looks all square-like, so what we can do is we can go into this little thing right here. It says editing and set smooth. And if you want, you can add a subsurf modifier. And I would say about 2 levels. And you can, don't apply that unless if it doesn't look good and you want to change it. Deselect so we can watch everything. Press Alt A. And as you can see, the fluid simulation has worked pretty good. It looks pretty good. Press escape, go back to the first one, and we can see our frames here. That's basically how you make a fluid simulation. Now we're gonna do some pretty fancy stuff here. Okay, I don't know how to explain it, but it's gonna look pretty sweet. Okay, we have our light here. We don't have to worry about that until later. We have this here. You don't really have to do anything for the view for this. I'm just gonna go into the shading button, and it's already there. We're gonna change the color to white, and we're gonna change the alpha to 0.1. I'm gonna change the shaders. Actually, everything looks okay. Mirror transparency. Press ray mirror, and give it about, I don't know, give it 1, I guess. We hit ray transparency, and the IOR 1.37. What we're doing here is we are making our water look, or our fluid look like water. And as you can see, it looks kind of like a drop of water. We hit, hold on. We can hit Shift P, and it'll come up with a preview of what it's going to look like. As you can see, it doesn't look very good because of our background, and it's our background is just kind of like reflecting everything. So we just X that out. We go into our world buttons, and we hit blend, and I'm gonna make it white. Or yeah, blend. And our other one will be okay, that looks good. Okay. Now we can render the current frame and check and see what it's gonna look like. That doesn't look too bad. Okay. We go into animation and hit the camera view. We're gonna scale it up a little bit, make it look a little bit better. And the end, it really depends on where we want to end it. So we hit our play button and it plays out the animation, and we can see stuff like that. I'll have it end at 165. We can now, actually, where's 50 at? Where's 50? Is 50 okay? No. I'll just end it at 100. Okay. Now we go into scene, and we hit QuickTime, 25 frames per second, and just to show you, so you don't have to wait, I'm gonna put it at medium. It'll render faster. We hit OK. We don't do anything over here. I'll show you what that is after. We change our output. I'm just gonna change mine to my documents and my videos and water. Select output pictures, and we hit anim, and it will animate the frames. Now, so you don't have to wait and watch it render. It's really boring. I am going to go to my screen recorder and pause it, and it'll come back. I'll come back when it's all finished. Okay, it is it's been a while now, and I'm really sick of it, so I'm just gonna stop it. Escape. Well, can escape. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, and I'm gonna play it.